Let's see how an AI chatbot can help a tattoo shop to generate leads on automation and also helps with answering customers' questions instantly using the power of AI. So this is the chatbot shop we are going to discuss in this specific demo, and this particular chatbot can actually work on multiple channels. For example, this can work on Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, web chatbot, Google My Business, etc, etc. So in this video I'm going to show a live demo in the WhatsApp, and also I will trigger a chat widget in this specific website and show the demo as well. So I'm going to discuss two channels over here. So let's start with the WhatsApp channel over here. So here I'm in the WhatsApp over here. So this can actually support the voice inputs as well. So suppose if you simply record a voice and send it over there, this can actually understand and respond back in the text format. We can also do the responses back in the audio format as well. So there is also another video in our channel exactly explaining how to do that with the audio format. So let me simply try the voice input over here. So let me ask a question over here. Who is the founder? So I have just sent a voice response asking who is the founder. So let's see how this actually respond to us over here. It says the founder of a Vessel Tattoo is John Davis. So let's scroll down and see how. So it says John is the founder, this kind of thing, and it's correct, and it also provides some other information about his 17 years of experience, those kind of things as well. So let me ask another question. So this time I'm going to send a question in the textual format. So let me send this kind of question and see how this actually respond. Yes, at Vessel Tattoo we prioritize the safety and well-being of our clients. All our artists are certified in bloodborne, those kind of things. So it simply reassures that this kind of tattoos is safety and those kind of things. So let me explain how this can actually generate leads on automation. For example, let me simply send a voice note over here. I want to request an appointment. So I have just sent a voice note here asking I want to request an appointment. Now let's see how this actually respond to us over here. And it says, glad to hear that you are interested in booking an appointment. To assist you with scheduling, could you please provide your name? So I simply sent a voice note asking I want to schedule an appointment, and simply start the lead generation process by asking the name over here. So let me simply provide a name over here. So let me simply provide as Jim. Now it actually asked me for the phone number. So let me provide a phone number as well, 5673. So I have just provided the phone number as well, and it simply asks the email as well. So let me provide an email as well, jim@chattingmedia. So we have to provide the email in the correct format. So actually it's not the correct format. So let me simply copy this one and enter the domain correctly. So this is the correct format, so it should work this time. And yeah, it actually worked, and it simply asked me, do you have any specific images or designs in mind? So here we can actually choose a yes or no, those kind of things. So if they choose yes, it simply asks the customer to upload the image as well. So let me choose yes over here and see what happens. Great, please upload your image below. So let me upload an image real quick over here. So here I'm going to upload this particular image over here and send. So this image is now uploaded. Let's see what happens over here. Okay, please select your tattoo artist. So this particular tattoo studio actually offers the clients to book with either John Davis or Daniel Tickner. So let me choose an option over here. So let me choose Dan Tickner over here. So I have chosen Dan Tickner as the tattoo artist for me, and it simply say me thank you Jim, and it simply provides me all the details which I just submitted. Jim@chattingmedia, phone number, artist, and the reference image. So if I simply click on this reference image, I can simply see the reference image which I just uploaded over here. So this is the reference image I uploaded. They can see it as well, and I can simply confirm my details. So if I confirm yes, and let's see what happens over here. And it says, awesome, we will be in touch with you shortly to schedule your tattoo consultation. The tattoo artist will be calling from you this particular number. So that the phone number of the tattoo company is this particular number, so that's why we are mentioning that particular number as well, just for the customer to understand whether if they receive this phone call from this particular number, they actually understand, okay, this particular tattoo company is calling me. And the beautiful thing is that this particular data which I submitted in this particular chat will be sent to the Google Sheet as well. So if I open this particular Google Sheet, let me show that over here. So as you see here, the gym, the name I submitted, the WhatsApp, because this is a WhatsApp chat, and the phone number, the channel, the email address, the artist, and also the reference image as well. So now let's see how to show this particular specific demo in this specific website itself. So as you know, this particular website address, it doesn't have any kind of chat widgets at the moment. I'm going to show how to trigger the chat widget in this website itself and show you the demo. So are you ready? So let's get started. To trigger a chat widget in this specific website, we are going to use a tool over here. So if you come over to tools over here, we have this specific tool called Bot Simulator. So this helps us to simulate a chatbot widget in any kind of website as it is already working. So let me simply copy paste this particular website address. So this is the website address. We want to show the chat widget, and we don't have any kind of welcome message, so we can keep that empty. And here you can choose the color as well. So what is the color of the chat widget? So I can choose any kind of colors over here, and I can simply click on get link. So it will generate a specific link, and so this is the original website, keep in mind. So now I am going to paste that specific link in this new tab and click enter. So this is the original website, and if I visit over here, as you see, a chat widget is already installed over here. So that means this is actually simulated, not actually installed. So just to show you the demo of how this actually can work. So here is how the web chat widget works. So when I send the message hi over here, it simply says, welcome to Vessel Tattoo, how can I help you today? And we can actually ask any kind of questions over here. So let me ask a question over here. When this was founded, something like that. So let me ask this question, when this was founded. So it should say, I think it's around 2016, something like that, as you see here. So likewise, you can actually ask any kind of questions over here. So do you have certified professional? And it says absolutely, we have certified professional in these kind of things. And how many artists? And it says there are 2 kinds of artists. So let me start the lead generation flow by saying I want to request an appointment, something like that. And it simply asks me the name over here. So this time I'm going to provide a different name over here. So, and it asks me for the phone number. So let me provide some kind of random phone numbers over here. And it asked me for the email address. So this time let me provide this kind of email address over here, chat@chattingmedia.com. And it asked me, do you have any kind of specific images or designs in mind? So this time I'm going to say no, and let's see what happens. And okay, it asked me to choose an artist. So last time we actually choose Dan, so this time let me choose Don Javis, and it simply sent me, thank you Kim, these kind of details you have provided, reference email not provided. So let me confirm these details and see what happens. And it simply send me this kind of message, confirmation message. And if I go to the Google Sheet over here, and you can find the exact things which we submitted via web chat over here. So this is actually Omnichannel, as I mentioned. So let's say if a new customer come over there and submit some kind of details via Messenger, then we will find those kind of details as well. And another important thing is that you can actually find all the details in the Omnichannel inbox as well. So let me refresh this inbox over here and see what happens. So this is the WhatsApp chat. So for the WhatsApp chat, we submitted these kind of details over here, including the tattoo image, those kind of things, tattoo artist, those kind of things over here. And this is what we actually submitted just via this web chat over here. So the web chat, we have this kind of details over here. So even an agent can simply jump in and chat with those kind of people, and they can actually filter conversations through these kind of things as well. So if you have any questions, or if you want to build something like this, let us know in the comments. Thank you.